Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Justin Valley. Today, I want to tell you guys that Third Web here has supported NeoX. Third Web is a platform that makes it easy for us to build things on the blockchain. So this means that if you want to build apps, create games, or work on other projects using NeoX, Third Web has complete tools for you. So with Third Web, if you're a developer, you're gonna have access to ready-to-use smart contracts, which are like templates on the blockchain. You'll be able to secure a wallet for your users, and you'll be able to use tools to track and use blockchain data. And there's more enjoyable stuff. Yeah, I know some of you are asking what it means for NeoX lovers. Now, what I mean is that developers can now use Third Web services to connect their apps to NeoX without even dealing with all these complicated blockchain setups that make it slow. But with Third Web, building becomes faster and much smoother. So this is the Third Web website right now. You can see all the tabs above, especially the developers tab. Yeah, that is for those of you that are developers. I'm not a developer, but for those of you who are, I'll be going deep into that as well. You see the company and playground tabs. Now, for you to log in, click on login above so that you'll be able to access your account. So now you'll be asked whether to log in socially or with your wallet, like MetaMask or Neoline. I use Neoline. You could input your phone number, passkey, and email address as well, but I won't do that because my video is for educational purposes. So let's get back to the website and then continue. So you can see where you can contact them. Click on contact them, maybe send them an email, and you'll receive a message once your inquiry has been reviewed. Now this is the language tab. You click on English, and if you're Spanish, maybe like me, you just click on Spanish so that you understand what is being displayed here. I know I'm Spanish, but for the majority, let's use English. I know I might not speak it perfectly, but you'll understand me. So let's start with the products. If you click on the drop-down arrow in products, you'll see a powerful blockchain is here on Third Web. You can see where you connect your wallets, deploy a contract, and even get instant blockchain data on any EVM, just like NeoX, as I told you. You can also see their solutions. If you click on solutions here, this is where you can integrate Web 3.0 into games. And actually, even though I'm not a developer, it's really for all of you developers. You're going to use Third Web to develop apps, create games, and do other stuff very easily. Now, this is their pricing. When you click on pricing, you will see flexible and transparent pricing that's going to scale with your app usage without cutting you off. Some platforms do that. You can see the starter plan. The premium is like $9 here, one plan at $79, another at $249, and one at $949 as well. If you scroll down, you will see more details about Third Web and the services offered to you, depending on what you want. Yeah, so let's check out the developer stuff. Now here in developer, click on it, and if you want to start building with NeoX, you'll go straight to the chain list. There are other features here. For those who want to dive deeper into additional features, you can click on them and you'll be directed to where you can start building your apps based on your needs. Yeah, so I'll just click on chain list so that for us developers who want to start building on NeoX, you're gonna see all the details about NeoX where you can get started. Yeah, so this is it. You can see Ethereum is here, Polygon is here, Lens mainnet, and more. Now I know some of us are really eager to build on NeoX, the EVM sidechain of Neo blockchain. To search for NeoX, you can see the search bar here. You can also see where you can connect your wallet and add your chain. Click on search by name. That's the search bar I just mentioned. And then type in NeoX. I will just type in NeoX and then search for it. Now, when you type in NeoX, you'll see it appears here. You can see the NeoX mainnet is here, the first one above. You can also see the chain ID and the enabled services, as well as the native token, which is gas that I use. And also, if you want to contribute to the Neo blockchain, I'll drop a link in the description below so that you can contribute and get rewarded with gas. Now, if you want to start bidding on NeoX, just click on NeoX. When it finishes loading, you will see the chain overview for NeoX. You can see the block height, the native token, and more details. And the product's third web is going to offer you are right down here. You can see the engine, nebula, and more stuff. Now let's get back to where we were. So you can see the company. If you click on the drop down arrow on company, you'll see options to set up your accelerator program, a Web3 ambassadors program, and more stuff. Then there's the playground tab, which you can also use. And that's a wrap on third web. It makes building apps super easy with ready to use contracts that take out the stress. Whether you're just getting started or already deep into development, it's a tool that saves time and effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. I've got more updates coming your way next week, so stay tuned. Goodbye, and I'll see you next week.